following short video clips are extracted from Nick Zentner's popular public lecture on great earthquakes of the Pacific Northwest. In the animated part, he describes an iris animation on episodic tremor and slip on the Cascadia subduction zone. This worthwhile 1-hour video can be found by copying the link below or by clicking the pop-up card on this YouTube video. First, let's let Nick start us off.
I love geology for two main reasons. You can tell amazing stories about our geologic past, stuff that happened long ago, and if you have the right field evidence, you can tell a pretty good story. But the story has to fit the field evidence that's been collected. The second thing I love are unsolved mysteries. And there are plenty of unsolved mysteries in geology in all branches of the sciences. And tonight's topic, great earthquakes of the Pacific Northwest, have both of these things. The locked zone, the transition zone, and a slip zone down here. A GPS receiver above the locked, above the transition, and above the pure slip zone. And we're going to plot what these stations are doing. And I'll try my best to help you make sense of this. We'll put it into motion. So the station out here above the lock zone is going to be moved inland and up. We've already talked about that, right? We're crunching the leading edge. So that's inland and up. But above the transition zone, every 14 months, stop and go back a fraction of an inch. Stop and go back a fraction of an inch. And this is what we visualize happening at the transition boundary. Movement and then a little bit of release. Movement and then a little bit of release. Back here above total slip, there's no signature whatsoever.